Hi everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 slow-mo gameplay and input delay issues on PC. First, make sure everything is up to date. Update your graphics drivers using GeForce Experience, Adrenaline, and Intel software. Then install all Windows updates and restart your PC. Now ensure the game itself is fully updated through EA Desktop, Origin, or Steam. Next, adjust in-game graphics settings. Turn off VSyncs to reduce input delay. Set frame rate to match your monitor or unlock it, and lower graphics quality to medium or high if needed. Keep render scale at 100% or slightly lower, and disable motion blur and film grain for smoother gameplay. Prioritize your GPU on NVIDIA over the control panel. Select EA Sport FC26 in Program Settings. Then set the GPU to high performance. Turn on low latency mode and choose maximum performance for power management. On AMD, enable anti-lag. Disable chill and radiant boost and set performance mode. Make sure Windows tweaks, then turn off game bar and Xbox DVR. Set power plant to high performance and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling for better performance. Finally, close background apps like Discord overlays, heavy browser tabs, or syncing software. Next, use Task Manager to end unnecessary processes. Following these steps should help reduce lag and input delay, giving you smoother, more responsive gameplay in EA Sports FC26. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.